If you've ever opened your inbox and instantly felt your soul leave your body, then this review is for you. Because today we're putting two $30 email is head-to-head Fyxer AI and Superhuman, and after testing both for 3 weeks, the difference I found was honestly shocking. Both claim to rescue busy professionals drowning in email, but the way they approach the problem couldn't be more different. One simply bolts AI onto Gmail. The other replaces your entire email client from the ground up. Fyxer promises smart drafting and automated organization, but it still relies on Gmail's own slow interface, which means every click, load, and refresh takes the same 3 to 5 seconds you're already suffering through. It writes decent human-sounding drafts at first, but over time they drift into generic territory, repeating patterns that stop sounding like your real voice. And because it only adds labels inside Gmail, you're often left second-guessing what's actually important. Users have also reported category mix-ups, Outlook inconsistencies, and support that sometimes goes silent. Meanwhile, Superhuman takes the opposite approach. It forces you to abandon Gmail entirely and adopt its own lightning-fast system, built around speed, clarity, and keyboard shortcuts that eventually become muscle memory. There's no AI glued on top of a slow interface. The entire experience is tuned for efficiency, which is why many users claim they clear email twice as fast and save 4 hours a week. Fyxer costs $22.50 monthly or $37.50 if billed annually, while Superhuman sits at $30 monthly or $25 annually. And although both live in the same price zone, the philosophies are worlds apart. Fyxer tries to enhance your existing workflow. Superhuman replaces it. Neither is perfect, neither is terrible. But depending on whether you want AI sprinkled on Gmail or a complete overhaul of your email life, one will make way more sense for your daily grind than the other.